Now we shall discuss one more question of the polar form. See this one. -1 plus iota. A statement is given to you. We can write down it is equals to r cos theta plus iota sin theta. When we go for compare -1, compare the real part and imaginary part. -1 is equals to r cos theta and 1 is equals to r sin theta. Now again we go for square and add. It is r square cos square theta r square sin square theta minus 1 square plus 1 square, that is equals to r square common cos square theta plus sin square theta, 1 plus 1. So r square into 1 is equals to 2. R is equals to under root 2. This is called modulus. Now we have to find out the principal argument. So we divide. When we divide it, r sin theta divided by r cos theta. R sin theta 1, r cos theta minus 1. This get cancelled. Tangent theta is equals to -1. Now this thing is important, that tangent theta is equals to -1. If we remember, the tangent theta is negative either in second quadrant or either in fourth quadrant. But where it is actually lie, how can we find out the result? I just discussed in the previous video कि whenever you discuss about cos function always tell us about the value of x, and sin function always tell us about the value of y. So if you observe value of cos theta is negative, it means value of x is negative, and if you observe sin theta, it means value of y is positive. And you know very well, in second quadrant x is negative and y is positive. It means our theta is lies in the second quadrant, and second quadrant means value is greater than 0 but less than 180, and that value will be acceptable because it is the rule of the polar form. Your angle should be lies in between 0 to 180. Now it is tangent theta, so I can write down here tangent of theta is equals to -1. Tangent of 1 will be occur at pi by 4, but you remember you are in the second quadrant, and second quadrant means pi minus pi by 4. See this one. 1 we know it is at pi by 4, minus will be obtained in the second quadrant. Due to second quadrant it is pi minus pi by 4, and tangent remains as it is. So from this we observe tangent of theta is equals to tangent of 3 pi by 4. So theta is equals to 3 pi by 4. This value is called as principal argument. This value is called as the principal argument. Now you know about the principal argument, you know about the value of modulus, then polar form. So polar form -1 plus iota is equals to under root 2 cos of 3 pi by 4 plus iota sin 3 pi by 4. See this one. In previous question we discussed the question that is lies in the first quadrant. This question lies in the second quadrant. So angle is 3 pi by 4. No need to